connect Hayday with Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Hayday with your Facebook account. So first of all, just open your Hayday in your mobile device, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just click on the three dot icon at the left hand side of your screen. You will see this three dot icon right here. So just simply tap on it, and after that from there just go to the settings option, which will show you as a pop-up menu. Just simply tap on it. If you don't have an account in Hayday as of now, just simply click on login with your Supercell ID. If you already have a Supercell ID, you will be able to log in with that. And if you don't have that, you can simply click on sign up and just make your account for yourself and create a Supercell ID for yourself. And right now, unfortunately, there isn't a way through which you will be able to connect your Hayday with your Facebook account, because Hayday and Facebook had some clashes, and they have removed Facebook as their connection method in their Hayday account, because Facebook and Hayday has some clashes going on, and that is why Hayday has removed Facebook as their connection to their mobile application. So but you have other options, like you can connect Google Play with your Hayday account. You can see this green tab on your screen right here. Just simply tap on connected, and your Google Play has been now connected with your Hayday account, but you won't be able to connect your Facebook with your Hayday. If there has been an option to connect your Facebook account with your Hayday account, you will be able to see the option right here, but there is no such option. So but keep an eye in the future. If Hayday restarted their connection with the Facebook, you can go ahead and connect your Hayday account with your Facebook, but right now you can't do it. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding connecting your Hayday account with your Facebook account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.